I paid a $3,000 assessment towards my condo fees for the damages from Hurricane Michael, and my condo fees have went up. My HOA fees have went up, and I'm not seeing any improvements or any, work being done. I'm not sure if I can do something towards my condo association to make sure that things get done.
Bill, I appreciate you not saying the name of the condo because we like to keep that confidential right now. But basically, when you're dealing with an HOA or an assessment issue, you have a board, and your board will make those decisions on behalf of all the owners. And if the easiest and the most simple way to go about doing it is see if you can get the board to agree. Now, there may be some reasoning or rationale as to why construction hasn't been performed yet. We're hearing a lot of HOA's dues are going up and assessments, and that's some of the fear in condos right now when you're purchasing those. Are you buying someone else's headache or nightmare where their assessment was going to be due? So, go to your HOA, discuss it with them, discuss your concerns with them. I'm sure if you have those concerns, I'm sure there are other owners who have the same concerns as well. So you may want to pull a team together and actually go to the next board meeting, and I'm not sure if you're having those monthly now because of the storm, but you need to express those concerns then. And if they continue to, fall on deaf ears, so to speak, they need to seek out an attorney who actually specializes in HOAs with the condos, because there's special docs that govern those rules and regulations.
Right, Bill. And a lot of the condominium policies that you're going to be seeing these days, they're going to have usually a special line of coverage called an assessment type of coverage. So as long as the loss was something that was covered under your normal homeowner's policy or a condo owner policy, if you are assessed a special assessment by the HOA or the COA in this case, that coverage can kick in to basically reimburse you for the increase in dues you've had to pay. So, you want to look at your policy, and if you have any questions about it, you want to bring it into a lawyer to help you dissect all that. But you probably, most of those policies that are issued to condominium owners have that type of coverage for a special assessment in the event of a storm or a catastrophic loss. And so it's worthwhile checking your policy out to see if you've got that.
But Bill, if you've had a $2,000 assessment, that is relatively low compared to some of the assessments that we've actually been hearing. So I'm not sure the extent of the damage or what is being proposed to be repaired. So just make sure that you look at your docs, you sit down with an attorney that covers those association dues and fees, and they'll tell you, basically if you got a leg to stand on against the board.